Hey, it's Margaret here from Screw It, Just Do It. So today what I'm going to show you is 3 Trello hacks. They're kind of like shortcut hacks. So check this out. I'm going to share my screen. Let me get that Trello board up for you. So I'm all about saving time, right? Efficiency. And so here on Trello, when you're on Trello, you make your board so you know exactly what you need to do. Once you get into your DMO, your daily method of operation, right? So I'm going to click on this, a couple of things here. I'm going to make a card, see over in the meeting. So in the meeting list here, I'm going to make a card. It's just going to say test, all right? So say you wanted to get rid of this, instead of clicking on this little arrow here and archiving it, what you can do is just hover over the card. You know you're hovering over it because the little pencil is there. And then what you want to do is click the letter C on your keyboard, C as in cat. So I'm hovering over the card I do not want anymore. I click the letter C and look at that, it goes away, right? So you don't even have to go to the pencil, click it, click archive, and go through that whole thing. All you have to do is hover over it, click the letter C on your keyboard, and it goes away. So that is hack number 1, or shortcut number 1. Shortcut number 2 is changing the date on when something is due. So like again, say if I had, this card over here, which is personal development, and say I put a date on it, right? So if I wanted to put a date on it, instead of going into the card itself, putting the due date and having the calendar there, if I don't need to go into the card, what you're going to do is hover over it again. On your keyboard, you're going to click the letter D, D as in dad. When you click on D, the change the due date pops up right on your board. So it just saves you that little step. Hack number 3 is going to be changing the labels right here. All these colors right here, see how they're all different colors? All these cards have different labels on them. So instead of clicking on the card, going to label, because that's like 2 clicks, right? What's easier is if you hover over the card. On your keyboard, you're going to hit the letter L as in like a lollipop. If you click on it, all the labels just pop up, and you can click them on, off, or you can actually, so clicking them on and off, you just click it, see how it went off on the follow-up, and see how I click the purple one. So the purple one has the check mark. I don't want that. So, so we're going to go like this, and we're going to get rid of those ones. But if I wanted to change the name of these, you just click the little pencil and you can change that. I guess reach out should be spelled like this. So we'll just save that in there. And those are the 3 hacks. So shortcuts that you can use, especially when you're on your desktop. So C as in cat, that will archive a card. D as in dad will bring the date up. I talk with my hands. And hack number 3, or shortcut number 3, is clicking L on your keyboard, and that's going to bring the labels up so that you can just type which one that you want. All right, guys, short and sweet, but those are some hacks that you can use in Trello. I hope you guys are liking Trello and really utilizing it to like the best of its ability. And that will happen with time, right? You got to take your time to really kind of know your new system, right? So new systems take time to learn, but once you do, it can be magical. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I will talk to you later. Bye.